And at the end of the chapter, when the chapter is over, I will be taking a short test that will be counted as assignment only. Assignment in that class, okay, in the form of a test. So most
now from every Thursday it will be at 10:15 only, the class.
Pardon?
Ma'am, it will be at 10:15 only for every Thursday now, because in the timetable it is at 11:45.
I know, but okay, can I take it 11:15 only for the time being?
Ma'am, as you wish.
Okay, because few of you are having problem at 11:45. Some of you have joined the coaching institute. So for the time being, because actually there is one more section of 11, so that will ultimately split into two parts. Then I will be having more period. Then I will see whether I will be at what time I will be able to take. But before that, I will be taking at 10:15. And every day I will be sending you a message a day prior at the of the time, just as a reminder. Okay. So one day before, always whenever there is a class, I will inform you. After some time, I may have to take extra classes also, so I will be informing you in advance. Okay, so I am starting with a brief recap we are doing. Okay, as I have told you few concentration terms, one of them is mole fraction. The symbol of mole fraction is chi is equal to, if I am taking mole fraction of a component A, I am taking a binary solution. What is the meaning of a binary solution? Arav, what is the meaning of a binary solution? Chess? No. Okay. Who can tell further? Arav Grewal, Arav Sharma, anyone of you? एक आरव ने आंसर किया था. What about other?
Ma'am, a solution which has a single type of solute.
See, you can say, but generally binary solution means a solution of two components. A solution of two components. We don't define it in a way that there is a single type of solute. We simply say a solution which consists of two components. Okay. So if there are two components A and B, then the mole fraction of component A is equal to number of moles of A upon total number of moles. Similarly, mole fraction of B is equal to number of moles of B upon total number of moles. And one more thing I have told you, what is the sum of the mole fraction of A and B? That is equal to 1. Okay. Then I have told you mass percentage, that is W by W percent. That W is the symbol of mass or weight. It is equal to mass of solute upon mass of solution into 100. Then another is volume percent, means volume of solute upon volume of solution in 200. Okay, that is volume percent. Now what is W by V percent? What is the meaning of W by V?
Mass percent by volume percent by mass percent.
We can't see it like this. What is the meaning of W by V, Agnish?
Ma'am, weight of solute upon volume of solvent.
Mass
And
of
weight of solute upon volume of solution.
solution. See, in most of the almost except only one concentration term, otherwise we always take solution in the denominator. Okay, most of the time we are taking is the volume of the solution or mass of the solution, most of the time. Okay, numericals I will be taking, just wait. Let me take one or two more concentration terms. One of them is molarity. Molarity, capital M. Now molarity means number of moles of solute. Obvious, generally in the numerator we take is the solute. The number of moles of solute upon volume of solution. And this volume of solution we are taking in liters, in 200. Sorry, bus. Number of moles of solute upon volume of solution in liters. And the symbol for molarity is M. Another concentration term is molality. Now the difference between them, one of them is the symbols. Molarity is capital M and molality is represented by small m. Okay. Now small m means molality. It means number of moles of solute upon, यहाँ पर आपका difference है, upon mass of solvent. In kg.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, whole board is not visible.
Okay, just wait. Is it okay?
Now it's clear.
So just remember the concentration terms. Then I am taking it. The numericals, now I am taking the numericals based on the various concentration terms. Yes. Okay. Yes. Someone is asking. Molarity. Okay, just wait. I am coming to these two with the help of numericals. Molarity means number of moles of solute. अभी तक हमने solute का mass लिया है या वो लिया है volume. But here we have to calculate the number of moles of solute. So if I am taking the definition, see this is the formula. Definition of molarity is number of moles of solute present in 1 liter of solution. And small m means molality. It is the number of moles of solute present in 1 kg of solvent. So the difference between these two is that here we are taking the solution and volume, here we are taking the mass of the solvent only. And all these are the concentration terms. What do you mean by concentration?
Ma'am, the
Suppose
amount of solute in solvent or solution.
amount of solute present in the given solution or solvent. Suppose I am taking 1 gram of sugar and I am taking 100 ml of water. And in second case, I am taking 5 gram of sugar. So in 100 ml of water. So concentration will be the different in both the cases. A volume of in both the cases is 100 ml. Suppose in two cases, volume of the solution I am taking is 100 ml. So in the one, mass of the solute is 1 gram. In the second, I am taking 2 grams. So obviously, this solution will be more concentrated. Concentration means quantity. Quantity can be in any of the terms. Quantity of solute in the given quantity of solvent or solution. Okay, so now I am taking the numericals based on the topics. Any of the topic I can take, formula can be used in the numericals. So you have to see the formulas, just revise the formulas. Okay, question number first. 4 gram of NaOH is present in 100 ml of solution. 4 gram of NaOH is present in 100 gram of solution. Calculate first part, mass by volume percent. Second part, molarity. Start doing it. First part Aishwarya, second part Akansha. Yes, Aishwarya, can you tell me how to calculate the mass by volume percent? Aishwarya, Akansha.
Yes, ma'am. Just a second.
Aishwarya is there? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Instead
could you
of
show the
1 minute, 1 minute. Yes. First part Aishwarya, second part Akshita will tell. Mass by volume percent. Yes, Aishwarya. What is the mass of solute? Aishwarya, am I audible?
ma'am?
Can you tell me what is the mass of solute?
Ma'am, 40.
40. Upon what is the volume of solution?
100.
100. So what is mass by volume percent? Percent means into 100.
Ma'am, 40.
So it is 40%. Okay, can you tell me whether the volume should I take in liters or ml? Generally,
Ma'am,
what
it's given in milliliter.
milliliter or in liters? What is the general unit for volume?
Ma'am, liters.
Liter.
Ma'am, liters.
100 ml, 0.1. So it is 0.1 liter. ml में लोगे, sorry, take it in ml only, then it will be 40%. Okay, here you take in yes,
NaOH is 4 gram or 40 gram?
Ma'am, 4
gram.
ma'am, 4 gram. Yes, ma'am, the 4% answer.
4%. Okay, second is now important, what is molarity? Generally these type of questions they hardly comes, but molarity comes. Now what is molarity?
Ma'am, number of moles of present in solute upon
Number
volume solution.
Solute NaOH upon volume of the solution in liters. Now how to calculate the number of moles, Akshita? How to calculate the number of moles?
Ma'am, it will be 0.1 mole for NaOH. Ma'am, 4 gram of sodium hydroxide is given and NaOH has 40 gram per mole as the molar mass. So we will divide it.
Mass is 4 grams, molar mass of NaOH is 40 grams. Okay, volume is in liters, so 1 by 0.1. So it will be
Ma'am, 0.1. Ma'am, 1 mole.
1 molar. What is the unit? Either we can write it as 1 molar unit or 1 moles per liter. The unit is either moles per liter or we can write it in this way. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next question. Question number second. I am making it as 9.8. 9.8 gram of sulfuric acid is dissolved in 100 gram of water. Calculate molarity. Molality, small m. Calculate molality. Aman, Aryan.
Yes, ma'am.
Molality means small m. What is the formula?
Ma'am, the formula of small m is number of moles of solute upon mass of solute.
Small m is number of moles of solute upon mass of solvent in kg. Okay. Now, what is the number of moles of solute?
Ma'am, the number of moles of solute. Ma'am, the number of moles of solute is 6.
Now, it is mass in grams upon molar mass.
Yes, ma'am.
What is mass in grams? 9.8. What is the molar mass of sulfuric acid? हाइड्रोजन का हो गया 2, 2 हाइड्रोजन है, एक हाइड्रोजन का मास होता है 1 प्लस सल्फर का होगा 32 प्लस 4 into ऑक्सीजन का मोलर मास होता है 60. आई होप ऑल ऑफ यू रिमेंबर द मोलर मास.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, 98.
It will be
98.
So what is the number? 0.1 moles.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now what is molality? Number of moles means 0.1. Now what is the mass of solvent? In kilogram.
Ma'am, 0.1 kg. Ma'am, and molality.
Gram of water given है, solution नहीं given है. In the question you are given the solvent.
100 grams.
Mass of solvent. The solvent is 100 grams, which is equal to 0.1
Point.
kg.
Yes, ma'am.
So taking is 0.1 kg. So what is the molality?
1.
1.
1
And
molar
moles per? What will be the unit?
moles per gram.
Grams or
Moles
kilograms?
kg.
Moles
Okay.
per kg. Or we can write is small m, 1 molar.
Yes.
Molar means moles per kg. Any doubt you can ask? Because for the time being, I am taking very simple numericals, direct based on formula. Okay. Next, Aryan, what is the mass percent? How to calculate the mass percent?
Ma'am, mass percent, ma'am, mass percent is the mass of solute upon mass of solution into 100%.
Mass of solute upon mass of solution. और generally solution हम इसमें कितने लेते हैं? ग्राम्स में. If the solute is in grams, the solution should also be in grams. ठीक है ना? Mass of solute upon mass of solution in grams into 100. Okay. Now what is the mass of solute?
Ma'am, the mass of solute is 9.8.
And what is the mass of solution?
Ma'am, the mass of solution is 100 gram.
100 gram क्यों? 100 gram solvent है, solution है.
Ma'am, it's an solvent, so we are not given the mass of the solution.
Can't you calculate?
Yes, ma'am.
What is it? Solution means solute and solvent.
109.8.
9.8. Solution means 100 plus 9.8. Solute and solvent. हमें given है कि हमें 9.8 gram we are dissolving in 100 gram. So what is the total solution? 109.8. Solvent.
109.8 upon 109.8 into 100.
Now what is the answer?
Ma'am, ma'am, the answer would be ma'am, the answer would be 980 upon 980 upon 109.8.
It is
90.
8.9%.
8.9.
9%.
Okay. And never leave the answer in fractions. Your marks will be cut if you're leaving it like this. You have to solve and then write the answer. Okay. So I hope now this point is clear to you. What is the mass? What is the purpose of solution solvent? How to take the solution? How to take the solvent? And you have to keep in mind कि कहाँ पर आपको solution लेना है, कहाँ पर आपको solvent लेना है. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so these were the very simple examples directly based on formulas. Now I am proceeding further. Okay, let's take on mole fraction also. Okay, let's do this part only. The same question. Calculate. First part is okay, molality. Second part okay, mass percent. And third part, let's calculate the mole fraction of sulfuric acid as well as water. Instead of taking separate question, I am taking in this question only. So these type of questions will come for 3 marks because there are 3 parts. So they will be coming for 3 marks. So first part, what we have done is molality. Second part, what we have calculated is mass percent. Now third part is we have to calculate the mole fraction of sulfuric acid as well as water. Ayush and Bhavya, you have to tell me. Should I rub this one, first part?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now in the third part, what fraction of solute means mole fraction of sulfuric acid. What is the formula for the mole fraction?
Number of moles in the solute upon number of moles of the solution.
Number of moles of sulfuric acid upon number of moles of solution. Solution please.
The water and the solute come.
Okay. Okay. So what is the number of moles of sulfuric acid?
0.1.
0.1. And what is the number of molecular masses? 98. We have already calculated this. Now what is the number of moles of water?
0.18.
0.18.
100 upon 18. आप लोगों ने कैसे बताया? Number of moles of water means mass of water upon molecular mass of water. Water का molecular mass कितना होता है? हाइड्रोजन का एक का होता है 1 to 2 हाइड्रोजन का. It is 100 upon 18. So what is this value?
5.6.
5.55.
Okay. You can take a 5.6. लेकिन एक्चुअली में ये वैल्यू ना बहुत बच्चे याद ही कर लेते हैं. बहुत जगह यूज होता है ये पॉइंट. तो नंबर ऑफ मोल्स ऑफ वाटर वी हैव कैलकुलेटेड. So now what is the mole fraction of sulfuric acid? You should tell the answer.
1 upon 5.6.
0.1 upon 5.55 plus 0.1. Now what is the answer? कितना आएगा? एक और डेसिमल तक निकालो. Yes, can you tell me the answer for the 0.17?
0.17.
0.17
Yes,
is
ma'am.
0 आएगा.
Ma'am,
Just check.
0.17.
0.17. Okay, so we have calculated the number of moles of sulfuric acid. Now second part is the number of moles of water. Bhavya? Bhavya is there? Say yes, ma'am. Bhavya is there? Daman? Bhavya is there? Bhavya, why are you not replying?
Ma'am, at 0.98.
How to calculate number of moles of water, Bhavya?
Ma'am,
Yes, bolo.
ma'am 5.5 upon 5.65. ma'am solve करेंगे तो ma'am आ जाएगा 0.98.
Now there is one more method. Either you can solve it like this, number of moles of water upon this, or what we know is that if I want to make it easier, total number of moles आपको बताया था ना, mole fraction of A plus mole fraction of B is equal to 1. तो अगर आपने
Yes,
एक
ma'am, we can
directly
yes,
you
ma'am.
can start calculation. Will it be this?
Ma'am, it will be 982. 982.
यहाँ पर 7 लिखा है.
923 हो. ma'am 3 बाद में आएगा 2 के.
How? See, if you are taking it as 0.017, then answer will be 0.983, I think.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you just check the calculations. If you are getting, I hope it's correct because I have not done this calculation. Only you have. Okay. So this question is clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now I am coming to the another type of questions. So at least try to solve a number of questions today itself. If you want, I will send you few questions. So try to solve the questions, okay? Next question, how many grams Devansh, you have to tell Bhavya is present, yes or no? Otherwise, I will mark absent. Is she answer? He or she जो भी है मेरे को भव्या वैसे generally girls ही होती हैं. Okay. Now can you tell me whether she has written anything in the chat box or not? नहीं तो मैं बाद में बात करूँगी. No. Okay. Bhavya, if you are present, you have to answer first. Otherwise, Devansh, you have to answer. How many grams of?
She's writing her
Ma'am,
mic isn't.
Bhavya has written that her
Ma'am, she
mic is
thinks
not.
that is, ma'am, her mic is not working.
Okay, Bhavya, please try to get it rectified because it's the starting of the session and this won't be allowed in future. By Monday, your mic should be working. Otherwise, camera on हो रहा है ना, camera on करके बैठो भव्या. How many grams of calcium carbonate should be dissolved in 200 centimeter cube of 0.2 molar solution? How many grams of calcium carbonate should be dissolved in 200 centimeter cube of 0.2 molar solution? Yes, Devansh. And Drishan then.
Ma'am, first we will convert into ma'am meter cube. We
Okay.
can convert to liters eventually.
Just
Because we have more that liters.
see, molarity means number of moles of calcium carbonate upon volume of solution in liters. Now, molarity is given to us. Now, what is the volume of solution in liters? Yes, what is the volume of solution in liters? This 200 ml. 1 centimeter cube is equal to 1 ml. Okay. That means 200 centimeter cube means 200 ml means 0.2 liters. Okay, so what we are getting is number of moles of calcium carbonate. What's the answer?
0.04.
0.04. Okay. Now, what is the meaning of number of moles? Means mass in grams, given mass in grams upon molar mass. All of you know this formula? Number of moles means mass in grams upon molar mass. Now, what is mass in grams? You are not given. Now, what is the molar mass of calcium carbonate? Calcium ka mass, what is the mass of calcium? Devansh?
40.
40.
Carbon ka 12 plus 3 into 16. So it comes out to be 100 gram. But the first 20 elements came. Generally, the teachers ask you to remember in class 9th only because this topic is relevant with class 9th. Okay, and in 11th, first 30 elements atomic masses should be remembered. Molar mass of calcium carbonate is 100, so M is equal to 0.04 into 100. M is mass in grams. Is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so with this, I have taken the general questions based on the topic. Now I am introducing one more formula that is called as dilution formula. Just note it down. Dilution formula means no need to write down the explanation. Suppose आपको इसका 2 लीटर दिया हुआ है, एक सॉल्यूशन दिया हुआ है जिसका वॉल्यूम है 1 मोलर, मोलारिटी है 1 मोलर. ठीक है, आपको एक सॉल्यूशन दिया हुआ है जिसकी मोलारिटी है 1 एंड द वॉल्यूम गिवन इज ऑफ 2 लीटर्स. अब आपको इसे एक और सॉल्यूशन बनाना है. सपोज यू हैव टू मेक अ सॉल्यूशन ऑफ मोलारिटी 0.1 मोलर और आपको इसका टोटल वॉल्यूम बनाना है 1 लीटर. तो व्हाट यू विल डू, you are given 2 solutions. एक आपको प्रोवाइड है, आपको ये है 2 लीटर सॉल्यूशन जिसका वॉल्यूम है 2 लीटर्स और मोलारिटी है 1 मोलर. नाउ यू हैव विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस, इसमें से कुछ लेके आप इसमें डालोगे, बाकी आप वाटर डालोगे, तो आपको एक और सॉल्यूशन बनाना है जिसकी मोलारिटी होनी चाहिए 0.1 और वॉल्यूम होना चाहिए 1 लीटर. तो आप क्या करोगे?
मैम सर्टेन अमाउंट ऑफ वाटर ऐड शायद मैम वैसा सोल्यूशन मिल जाए.
सपोज वॉल्यूम मैंने ले लिया V2, थोड़ा सा वॉल्यूम इसमें से आप लोगे और आप इसमें ट्रांसफर करोगे और बाकी इसमें क्या ऐड कर दोगे? वाटर. दिस इज हाउ वी मेक इट. या अगर आपको जैसे मैंने कॉन्सेंट्रेटेड शुगर सिरप दे दिया एंड आई एम आस्किंग यू टू डाइल्यूट इट, क्या करोगे आप? यू आर एडिंग सर्टेन,
dissolve in water.
वी हैव डिसॉल्व इट इन वाटर.
Yes, ma'am.
तो इसी तरह से आपको एक डाइल्यूशन फॉर्मूला, बट दिस डाइल्यूशन फॉर्मूला वी आर टेकिंग इन टर्म्स ऑफ मोलारिटी. Formula is very simple. Just remember the formula is M1V1 is equal to M2V2. M1V1 is equal to M2V2. actually सेम सॉल्यूशन होना चाहिए. जैसे इफ आई एम टॉकिंग ऑफ सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड, तो इट मींस अगर मैंने सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड को डाइल्यूट कर दिया बाय एडिंग वाटर, so when we want to dilute one solution into another, we are making use of this formula. So the topic will be more clear. Basically these topics obviously involve numericals, and only numericals will make you will help in clearing the topic. Okay, now I am taking a good question which is of roughly 3 marks, and it is a frequently asked question. Concentrated, commercially available concentrated HCl is 38% HCl by mass commercially available concentrated HCl is 38% HCl by mass. First part, find molarity. One, density of solution. Find molarity. Given density of solution is 1.19. gram per centimeter cube. Given density of solution is 1.19 gram per centimeter cube. Second part, what volume of concentrated HCl is required? What volume of concentrated HCl is required to make 1 liter of 0.1 molar HCl? Now this question is of 3 marks. It can even come for 4 marks. Okay. Now see.
Ma'am, it is 0.1 molarity HCl.
Pardon? You are telling the answer.
I'm asking in the second part you have asked 1 liter of 0.1 molar HCl.
Huh. 1 liter of 0.1 molar HCl. See, जो हम labs में ना, whatever are the concentrated acids, they are not 100% acid. HCl जो होते हैं, pure HCl is a gas. If you remember, HCl
Yes.
hydrogen chloride is a gas which is white in color. But whenever I am writing is hydrochloric acid, even if it is concentrated, it means it contains gas dissolved in water. So always, whether we are taking a sulfuric acid, nitric acid, hydrochloric acid, they are not 100% pure. They always contain certain amount of water. And the HCl that is generally available, even if it is concentrated, it is 38% HCl by mass. Let's concentrate on the first part at the first step. So for first part is we have to find out the molarity given density. Okay. Now first, what is the molarity? Let's write the formula. Number of moles of HCl, of solute is HCl. Because HCl is dissolving in water.
Yes.
On volume of solution.
Ma'am, volume of volume of solvent in liter.
Molarity generally आपका केवल small capital M में होता है mass of solvent. Molarity का check the formula. It is the volume of solution in liters. Clear? Now we are not given the number of moles. We are not given the volume. We are not even given the mass in grams. But what we know that it is 38% HCl by mass. Percent by mass there are 38% means out of 100. 38% HCl by mass means 38 gram of HCl in how much solution?
100 gram of solution.
100 gram of solution. आपका हमेशा generally solution होता है except in the terms case of molality. So 38 gram of HCl in 100 gram of solution. So what we know is that mass of HCl. So from this mass of HCl, we can calculate the number of moles of HCl. Number of moles of HCl means mass in grams upon molar mass. What is the molar mass? HCl ka? 1 plus what is the mass of chlorine?
5.5.
Chlorine ka mass?
35.5.
So it is 36.5. So number of moles of HCl means mass of HCl upon molar mass, that is 36.5. If you are solving it, it is coming out to be 1.04. So what we have calculated is the number of moles. Clear? Now we are not given the volume, but what we are given is the density of solution. In the question, we are
Yes.
given density of solution. What is the formula for density?
A mass upon volume.
और सारी चीजें किसके solution? So I am writing it complete. मैं simply mass upon volume नहीं लिख रही. I am writing mass of solution upon volume of solution, so that it remains in your mind that we have to take solution. हो सकता है कहीं हमें solvent given हो. So we have to keep in mind that density of solution is mass of solution upon volume of solution. Now, what is density of solution?
1.18 gram per centimeter cube.
Per centimeter cube. Okay. Now, Gandharv, can you tell me what is mass of solution? Gandharv?
Ma'am, he's not in the section.
Okay.
Yeah, ma'am.
What about Gautam?
100.
What is mass of solution? 100. क्योंकि हमने यही कैलकुलेट किया ना, अभी आपने देखा है 38 gram of HCl in 100 gram of solution. The mass of the solution is 100 gram upon volume of solution. Is it okay? Now, so we can calculate now the volume of solution. So my volume of solution will be 100 upon 1.19. Unit होगी centimeter cube because density was in gram per centimeter cube. So it will be equal to 100 upon. So what's the answer? It is roughly 84.84 centimeter cube approximately. 84 centimeter cube. But volume किसमें होना चाहिए? Liters में. Can you convert it into liters?
Yes, ma'am.
What it will be?
0.84.
0.84. बेटा बहुत छोटी ना.
0.084.
हाँ.
0.084.
गलतियां नहीं करनी. ठीक है. So it will be 0.084 liters. Okay, so I am rubbing this first part. So now what we had to calculate was the molarity. So molarity means number of moles of solute. और अगर आप चाह रहे थे तो आप यहाँ कैलकुलेशन नहीं भी करते, फाइनली करते थे, then even then it would be okay. It's up to you. हर स्टेप पे कैलकुलेशन करेंगे, फाइनल करो, it's up to you. Now what will be the answer? It's roughly 12.38 molar. Okay. So it means that the concentrated HCl that is given to us, उसकी molarity होती है 12.38 molar. तो यानी आपको एक solution given है, इसकी molarity है 12.38 molar. अब इस solution से you have to make another solution. इसका volume आपको बनाना है 1 liter and it is a dilute solution. Means इसकी molarity है 0.1 molar. So what is the, अब इसका कुछ amount आप इसमें ऐड करोगे, बाकी water डालोगे. So now what is the volume that is required of the concentrated HCl? This is the second part. What volume of concentrated HCl is required to make 1 liter of 0.1 molar HCl?
Ma'am, we'll use the dilution formula.
We have to use the dilution form. M1 V1 is equal to M2 V2. तो ये suppose मेरा first solution है, या ये मेरा concentrated solution है, ये मेरा dilute solution है. ठीक है. अब हमें जो बनाना है 1 liter बनाना है 0.1. यानी in the second case जो हमें बनाना है molarity is 0.1 molar and volume is 1 liter. Clear? And the concentrated solution के molarity we know 12.38, but what volume we have to take, we have to calculate. Is the point clear? So M1 into V1. So we have to calculate what volume of this is required. Concentrated HCl means the solution whose molarity is 12.38. So now we are solving this. So V1 is equal to 0.1 upon 12.38. It will be in liters. Because this was in liters, so this will be in liters. So it is coming out to be, what's the answer? पॉइंट हटा देते हैं सबसे पहले. ये आ गया मेरा 10/1238 liters. See, you can see the answer is in fraction. So I can either write it in liters or I can convert it into ml. What do you prefer?
Ma'am,
Should
but
I
you said, ma'am, but you said we can't leave it in fraction.
No, I am saying that for calculation, do you want me to do the calculations in liter only or should I convert it into ml?
We need the answer in liter.
Okay, want to leave answer in liters, then 0. Point डालोगे तो 100 again 008. आगे exact निकाल सकते हो. 8 के बाद 1 आएगा. So it will be 0.0081 liter. Clear? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
जब एक फॉर्मूला ही होता है, अगर आपने सपोज दो सॉल्यूशंस लिए, एक की मोलैरिटी है m1, एक की है b1, दूसरा सॉल्यूशन है उसकी है m2 और उसके वॉल्यूम है v2. आपने इन दोनों को मिक्स कर दिया, आपने इन दोनों को आपस में मिक्स कर दिया, तो हमारे पास एक थर्ड सॉल्यूशन बनेगा. उसकी मोलैरिटी क्या होगी और वॉल्यूम क्या होगा? हाउ टू कैलकुलेट?
Ma'am, volume तो दोनों की ऐड हो जाएगी and then M3 we can find out.
Formula is m1 v1 plus m2 v2 is equal to m3 v3. This will be the formula. ठीक है? m1 v1 plus m2 v2 is equal to m3 v3. And what is v3? v3 will be equal to v1 plus v2. Total volume we are going to add. दो क्वेश्चन से 3 क्वेश्चंस I will be sending you for homework. Okay? Okay. Now one more easier question.
Ma'am, can you give a question on this third formula?
Third formula I am not going to take today because first I want to make these concepts more clear. Because only in one more class I think the chapter should be over. ठीक है? पहले ये formulas के ऊपर आज क्वेश्चन दूंगी, इसको I will be taking because this is actually beyond the CBSE syllabus, but I will give you one more numerical in the next class based on this. अभी पहले दूसरे टॉपिक्स क्लियर करो, which are एक नॉर्मेलिटी भी टर्म्स है. नॉर्मेलिटी अगेन is not in the syllabus, but I will give you a brief introduction of what is normality. Okay, because normality is never mentioned in NCERT only. In class 11th as well as 12th, it is not there. But in your coaching institutes, a number of numerical based on normality are being done. So these two topics I will be taking in the next class. Okay, now my question is, all of you will be seeing and I will be asking you to show me your copies. ठीक है? By making your cameras on. The density of solution of NaCl is 1.5 grams per ml. Calculate molality. The density of 3 molar solution of NaCl is 1.25 gram per ml. Calculate the molality.
Ma'am, 1.25 or 1.5?
1.5, sorry, 1.5.
Ma'am, we have to calculate molality or molarity.
Okay.
Okay, hint I am starting with. If you want, you are given 3 molar, capital M. Okay? It means, now what is capital M means? Number of moles of solute upon volume of solution.
Upon
So it means that 3 moles, molality is given as 3 moles, means 3 moles of solute. We can make use of this one. Simple fact, 3 moles of solute are present in 1 liter of solution. Is it okay? अगर ये 3/8 means 3/1, that is 3 moles of solute are present in 1 liter of solution. Now make use of density and what we can calculate. तो आपने इस पॉइंट का यूज किया, you have make use of this point. 3 molar means 3
yes
moles.
ma'am density.
अब आपको small m निकालना है. What is small m?
Number of moles of solute upon mass of solvent in
Mass of solvent. So what mass चाहिए. Density किसकी होती है? Solution की, solvent की?
solvent के
The density of
density solution के
density किसकी given है? Solution की. Okay, let's see how we can do. So density of solution is equal to mass of solution upon volume of solution. This is the formula. And always try to write whether it is solvent, solution. Don't skip this. So density of solution means mass of solution upon volume of solution. Now what is the density? You are given 1.5 grams per ml. Okay. Now Kunjal is there.
Volume is 1, ma'am. 1 liter.
Volume is 1. So it is mass of solution. Volume we have already calculated that 3 moles of solute are present in 1 liter of solution. So volume of the solution is 1 liter. अच्छा अब एक चीज और देख लो, यूनिट चेक करो. ये आपका है ml में and this is in liter. So what to do?
ma'am 1000 ml.
Okay, 1 liter or 1000 ml. Okay. So what is the mass of solution?
ma'am
1500 gram.
kg.
1.5 into 1000, which is equal to 1500 gram. So this is our solution. But how to calculate solvent?
We'll subtract the mass of our solute.
Solute. How to calculate the mass of solute? Okay. What
Ma'am,
we
we'll-
are have
Ma'am, we have the number of moles of solute.
solute कौन सा है?
ma'am NaCl.
NaCl.
Okay. Solute is NaCl. So it means that मैंने यहाँ NaCl लिखा था? मैं बोला था?
ma'am आप बोला था.
NaCl. ठीक है. So 3 moles of solute, number of moles of solute is equal to mass in grams upon molar mass. Now the molar mass of NaCl is sodium का होता है 23, chlorine का 35.5, it is 58.5. So what is mass in grams? 3 into 58.5. ठीक है. So this is the mass in grams of solute. Solve it. Mass in grams of solute 3 into 58.5 to
175.5.
175.5. Okay. Clear? तो अब आपका mass of solution आ गया, mass of solute आ गया. So what we can calculate is mass of solvent. So what is the mass of solvent?
ma'am minus 175.5.
What it will be? Let me this one, ये मैंने गलत किया है. Is it okay? Now this is my mass of solvent.
Yes.
Now what is the molarity? Number of moles of solute upon mass of solvent. Now what is the number of moles of solute? We have already given, we have taken the number of moles of solute as 3 moles. 3 upon mass
Yes,
of
ma'am.
solute 1324.5 grams is लेकिन kilograms में करना है. यहीं पे कर लेते हैं. कितने किलोग्राम्स हो गया? 1.3245 किलोग्राम. ठीक है. अच्छा 3245 को राउंड अप करके you can take it as 1.325 or 1.32. You can do a little bit round up. What's the answer?
Ma'am, 2.26.
2 point.
$2.26.
ठीक है. यूनिट आप लिख सकते हो मोल्स पर केजी और स्मॉल है. I think class over. Let me just take the screenshot of the attendance before you are leaving. Just wait. Please do the questions that I will be giving you today. I will send you the screenshots. So please do the questions. जितना practice करोगे, it will helping you. Because in class 12th also more difficult questions are there based on the same topic. You can leave.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, could you show the board just for a second again?
Yes, yes, sure. यहाँ पर यूनिट लिख सकते हैं.